Good morning, students. We will learn here today to add headings in our web page, for which I have opened the text editor notepad and I am writing the tags required for creating my web page and adding a heading to my web page. So as you can see here, I have given the title my web page. I need to add this in the title tag so that it appears in the title bar of the browser. Now in the body content we are going to use heading tag, and there are 6 levels of heading. As you can see here, I have written H1. So there are 6 levels of heading: H1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 in decreasing order. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. So I can show you, demonstrate here how these would appear. Heading 1, I am writing here and I am closing the H1 tag. Heading 2, H2 is the tag for heading 2. H3, and I am just writing here heading 3, H3 and so on. I'll show you the 6 different levels of heading, how they will appear. So whatever you want for your heading, whatever size you find to be appropriate, you can use that tag for giving a heading to your web page. I close my body tag here, close my HTML and save this document. Web page in my folder, that is my choice where I want to save. So I have chosen here in documents, I have a folder by the name ICT class 8 and I give here the name, as we are learning heading tag, so I have given heading .html. As I explained you, .html needs to be given to save it as an HTML file or .htm. You can give either of the extension HTML or .htm. So I have saved this here, and now I will open it in my browser window. To open my file, which is now currently in my local computer, I need to press Ctrl O to open the open dialog box. Choose the file where it was saved from documents in ICT class 8. I have saved it as heading.html. So choose that file, click on open, and you can see how 6 different levels of headings have appeared. Now I'll show you one more feature that can be added with the heading, and you can also see that on the title bar my web page is appearing, which I had mentioned in my title tag. So here I'll teach you one more feature that can be added with the heading tag to place the heading in center of the page or on the left margin as it is right now by default, or onto the right margin, for which we have an attribute called align, and along with that you can mention whether it should be placed in the center, or I'll show you here with the heading 2 I am placing it to the right. By default, as we saw, it is left aligned. So save the changes and then now open in the browser window. You can reload the page and see the changes. So as you can see,